G'day guys, so today we're looking at how to find the discount or markup rate. This is a skill in Year 10 Mathematics where we are finding a percentage of, or what the percentage is of that part of the whole number. So the first example is a discount rate example, and it is what we're going to be doing is finding the difference between the original cost and the price it was sold for. And then we're going to be finding what percentage that difference is from the original cost. So we have a book that was originally cost $70, was sold for $50. What is the discount rate? So if we get started, we've got $70 minus $50 is equal to $20. So the first part here is we found the difference. This is the difference from the original cost to the discount amount. Now we have to find what percentage this $20 is compared to the original cost, which is $70. So what is the percentage difference? To do that, we're going to go 20 divided by 70 is equal to 0.2857. Now we have this as a decimal amount. We're going to convert this decimal to a percentage. We're going to multiply by 100, and we're also going to round up at the end result. So we multiply this by 100 and we end up with 28.6%. So we have our book that originally cost $70, was sold for $50 because it was discounted by 28.6%. Awesome. So that's the first skill, or the first way of doing it. The second way of doing it is, well, the second version that we have to look up is markup rate. So how can we calculate markup rate? And we do it exactly the same way. We find the difference between the amount it was sold for and the original price, and then we find out what percentage that difference is compared to the original price. Remember that markup is calculated from an original price still. Cool. So if we get started here, we're going to find the difference first. I'm going to go 690 minus 250 gets me 440. Whoops. There we go, 440. Cool, so difference is $440. Now we're going to find the percentage that 440 is from our original price. Now the original price the surfboard was shaped for was $250. So we're going to divide 440 by 250. And we end up with a decimal of 1.76. Now this is still decimal format. We need to make this a percentage. So to make it a percentage, we're going to times by 100, and we end up with a percentage of 176%. So this makes sense. Remember that markup is increasing our price. Essentially, the surfboard was sold for 176% of the original price, and that is correct as well. So hopefully you found this helpful.